So, you've downloaded our ebook and want to know more about the differences between term and whole life insurance. Great! In this video, we will go over everything mentioned in the ebook verbatim. So sit back and listen closely as we explore term and whole life insurance. Introduction. Life insurance is an essential component of financial planning, providing peace of mind that your loved ones will be financially secure in the event of your death. However, choosing the right life insurance policy can be confusing, with numerous options available in the market. Two of the most common types of life insurance are term life insurance and whole life insurance. In this ebook, we will explore the key differences between these two types of policies, as well as the best age to purchase them. We'll also provide tips on how to choose the right policy for your needs. Chapter 1: Term Life Insurance. Term life insurance is a type of life insurance policy that provides coverage for a specified period of time, typically ranging from 5 to 30 years. Here are the main features of term life insurance. Premiums or monthly payments. Term life insurance policies typically have lower premiums than whole life insurance policies, making them less expensive and more affordable for those who need life insurance coverage and have limited financial resources. Term life insurance policies provide coverage for a specific period of time, known as the term. If the policyholder dies during this term, the death benefit is paid out to the beneficiary. If the policyholder survives the term, the policy expires, and the coverage ends. Term life insurance policies do not build cash value over time. This means that once the policy expires, the policyholder does not receive any money back. Advantages of term life insurance. 1. They are affordable. Term life insurance is generally more affordable than whole life insurance, making it a good option for those on a budget. 2. Term policies are flexible. The term length of a term life insurance policy can be matched to the needs of the policyholder. This means that they can select a policy that lasts until their children graduate from college or until they pay off their mortgage. 3. Term life insurance policies are also easy to understand. You pay for a certain period of time, and if you pass away within that time period, your beneficiaries get paid. Disadvantages of term life insurance. 1. No cash value. Since term life insurance policies do not build cash value, they do not provide the policyholder with any money back at the end of the term. 2. Limited coverage. Once the term of the policy expires, the policyholder no longer has any life insurance coverage. They will have to get new coverage at an older age. 3. Increasing premiums. Some term life insurance policies have increasing premiums, meaning that the cost of coverage increases over time. It's important to speak with a licensed Get Life associate to find the best term life policies that won't increase over time. When is the best time to get term life insurance? There is no definitive age at which one should get term life insurance. It largely depends on the individual's financial goals and circumstances. However, here are some things to consider when deciding on the best age to purchase term life insurance. Consider your dependents. If you have dependents who rely on your income, it's a good idea to get term life insurance as soon as possible. This ensures that your dependents are financially protected in the event of your death. Consider your age. Premiums for term life insurance policies increase as you age. Therefore, it's a good idea to get term life insurance when you're young and healthy, as this will result in lower premiums. Consider your financial goals. Your financial goals and needs will also affect the best age to get term life insurance. For example, if you want to ensure that your children are financially protected until they graduate from college, you may want to get a policy that lasts until that time. Tips for choosing a term life insurance policy. Determine the length of the term based on your financial goals and needs. Compare policies from different insurance providers to find the best coverage for your budget. Make sure you have enough coverage to provide for your dependents in the event of your death. Speak with a licensed Get Life representative to help you find the right policy that will fit your needs. Chapter 2: Whole Life Insurance. Whole life insurance is a type of life insurance policy that provides coverage for the entire life of the policyholder. Here are the main features of whole life insurance. Higher premiums. Whole life insurance policies typically have higher premiums than term life insurance policies. The premiums are fixed, meaning they don't increase over time. Life coverage. Whole life insurance policies provide coverage for the entire life of the policyholder. The death benefit is paid out to the beneficiary upon the death of the policyholder. Potential to build cash value. Whole life insurance policies have a savings component that accumulates cash value over time. This cash value can be used to pay premiums or borrowed against by the policyholder. Advantages of whole life insurance. 1. Lifetime coverage. Whole life insurance policies provide coverage for the entire life of the policyholder. This means that the policyholder does not have to worry about their coverage expiring. 2. Can build cash value. The savings component of whole life insurance policies allows the policyholder to build up cash value over time, which can be used to pay premiums or borrowed against. 3. Payments will not increase. Whole life insurance premiums are fixed, meaning they don't increase over time. This can make it easier for policyholders to budget for their life insurance premiums. Disadvantages of whole life insurance. 1. Whole life insurance costs more. Whole life insurance policies typically have higher premiums than term life insurance policies, making them less affordable for those on a budget. 2. May have limited cash value growth. The cash value of whole life insurance policies grows at a relatively slow rate compared to other investment options. This means that whole life insurance may not be the best option for those looking to invest. It's important to schedule an appointment with a licensed Get Life professional to show you the different cash value options of the company you want to purchase whole life insurance with. 3. Complexity. Whole life insurance policies can be complex and difficult to understand, making it hard to compare policies from different providers. When is the best time to get whole life insurance? Whole life insurance is generally best suited for those who want to provide for their dependents or beneficiaries after their death and have a significant amount of disposable income. Here are some things to consider when deciding on the best age to purchase whole life insurance. 1. Consider your dependents. Whole life insurance can be a good option for those who have dependents who rely on their income. 2. Consider your age. Premiums for whole life insurance policies are typically based on the age of the policyholder at the time of purchase. This means that younger policyholders will typically pay lower premiums than older policyholders. 3. Consider your disposable income. Whole life insurance policies typically have higher premiums than term life insurance policies. Therefore, it's important to consider whether you have enough disposable income to pay for whole life insurance premiums. Tips for choosing a whole life insurance policy. Determine the amount of coverage you need based on your financial goals and needs. Compare policies from different insurance providers to find the best coverage for your budget. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the policy before purchasing. Make sure to look at the rating and the history of the company you are purchasing your whole life insurance policy from. You want to ensure that the company will be there when you need it and pay out quickly in your time of need. At Get Life, we provide ratings and a history of each company we do business with, and we only deal with top-rated companies, so you can rest assured that you will be with the best. Chapter 3. Comparing term and whole life insurance. Both term life insurance and whole life insurance have their advantages and disadvantages. Here's a comparison of the two types of policies. 1. The premiums. Term life insurance policies typically have lower premiums than whole life insurance policies. 2. The coverage length. Whole life insurance policies provide coverage for the entire life of the policyholder, while term life insurance policies provide coverage for a specific period of time. 3. Cash value. Whole life insurance policies have a savings component that accumulates cash value over time, while term life insurance policies do not. 4. Can it grow? The cash value of whole life insurance policies grows at a relatively slow rate compared to other investment options. Protect the ones you love. When choosing between term and whole life insurance, it's important to consider your financial goals and needs. If you have dependents who rely on your income and want to ensure that they are financially protected for your entire life, whole life insurance may be the best option for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for affordable coverage for a specific period of time and don't need lifelong protection, term life insurance may be a better fit. Ultimately, the decision between term and whole life insurance comes down to your individual financial situation and goals. At Get Life, we understand that choosing the right life insurance policy can be a difficult decision. That's why we offer both term and whole life insurance policies to fit your needs and budget. Visit our website https://getlife.com to schedule an appointment to speak with an insurance advocate who can assist you in finding the best coverage for your unique situation. Conclusion. When it comes to choosing between term life insurance and whole life insurance, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Both types of policies have their advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to consider your financial goals and needs when making a decision. Keep in mind, It is important to get life insurance coverage sooner rather than later to lock in lower premiums, ensure coverage for unexpected events, protect your family's financial future, provide peace of mind, and address potential health concerns. Whether you're looking for term life insurance or whole life insurance coverage, Get Life can help. Our insurance advocates can assist you in finding the best coverage for your unique situation, and our website https://getlife.com makes it easy to schedule an appointment to discuss your options. Don't wait any longer to ensure that your loved ones are financially protected in the event of your unexpected death. Contact Get Life today to find the life insurance coverage you need.